There are so many things to see and do in California, and Santa Monica has to be one of them. This is Katie from Creative Travel Guide, and today we share the reasons to visit Santa Monica. Looking for more travel tips? Make sure to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. So the first reason is the sunshine. Santa Monica sees more than 300 days of sunshine a year, making it the perfect place to escape to in the winter months. You can enjoy the outdoors at your leisure and be sure to enjoy all of the al fresco dining options in the area too. And of course, amazing sunshine means amazing sunsets. There's something special about watching the sun dip below the horizon while you're beside the ocean. If you are hoping to catch a few beautiful sunsets during your vacation, Santa Monica is the place to be. The city is home to some of the best sunset viewing spots in all of Southern California, so be sure to make time to catch at least one during your stay. And the next reason to visit is the location. As a destination that is under an hour away from Hollywood, Santa Monica makes for a great home base for those looking to explore Los Angeles and beyond. It also makes for a great day trip from those staying in downtown LA and is the famous end to Route 66. Santa Monica is known for its glorious beaches, and this is the main reason that people visit. You can enjoy sunbathing, biking, volleyball, water sports, or just relax and unwind in the sun. No matter who you are, there is something to love about a day at the beach. Santa Monica also offers an opportunity to get active. If you are looking for a way to stay active during your trip, there are plenty of options available beside the Santa Monica coastline. From stand-up paddleboarding, kayaking, and surfing, there's no shortage of ways to get your heart pumping while you are vacationing by the ocean. If you are looking for a slightly calmer activity, you can always take a leisurely stroll along the beach or through one of the city's many scenic parks. Another reason to visit Santa Monica is for the delicious food. One of the best things about vacationing by the ocean is the opportunity to sample some delicious seafood. Santa Monica is home to a variety of different seafood restaurants, so you are sure to find something to your liking no matter what your preferences are, and the area's ties with California farmers means food here is fresh and local. Whether you are in the mood for fresh fish tacos or a hearty seafood stew, you'll be able to find it all within steps of the Santa Monica coastline. And if you are looking for something to wash it all down with, there's no shortage of excellent craft breweries and wineries in the area too. In addition to being a beautiful place to vacation, the Santa Monica coastline is also home to a wealth of history. Visit the historical sites, head to the Santa Monica History Museum to learn more about the Santa Monica Bay area. You can also take a walk through one of the city's many historic neighborhoods such as Ocean Park and Pico District. If you are looking for a unique shopping experience, you'll find it beside the Santa Monica coastline too. In addition to the usual beachwear and souvenir shops, there are also plenty of independent retailers selling everything from locally made pottery to vintage clothing. And of course, you can't visit Santa Monica without visiting its famous pier. With an arcade, amusement park, carousel, restaurants, and outdoor concerts in the summer months, there are plenty of things to enjoy on the Santa Monica Pier. Watch this video to find out the best things to do in Los Angeles. Then, to learn how to save money on your trip to the USA, watch this video. We hope you have a great time in Santa Monica and stay creative.